Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I will be showing you how to increase download speed in Brave browser. So guys, to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go to Brave double colon slash slash flags. And from here, you just simply search for download and you will have an option over here, parallel downloading. So make sure that this is enabled in order for you to accelerate your download speed, and you can just simply relaunch it or close it and then open it up. Now, another option that you could try is select the three lines over here at the top right, and you will have the settings over here down below, and you will have the system on the left side of the screen. And from here, make sure you have the use graphics accelerator when available. And now turn this off. Continue running background apps. So make sure to turn this off. And pretty much by turning on memory saver as well, this will speed up your download. So from here, you will have three categories or levels. So if you want to have the fullest download speed, go for the maximum. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.